Hi everyone, this video is the part 2 and in the continuation of the video in which we were discussing about the transportation in plants and animals. So in that video we discussed till red blood cells. The only one component of the blood was discussed. So let's just begin with the second blood component of the blood, which is the WBC or the white blood cell or corpuscles. Fine. Focus. Okay. So now these white blood cells, what they do is they are like the soldiers of our body. As the soldier, as the army, it protects us from the enemy. Okay, in the same way these white blood cells, they defend ourselves, they defend our body, they are the soldiers of our body against the germs. Okay, they fight with the germs, they fight against the germs, and also they provide protection to the immunity system against these diseases, against the infection caused by these germs. So all in all, they are altogether called as, that's why they are known as the soldiers of our body, or the army of our body. As the army protects us against the enemies of our country, in the same way our body, white blood cells, they protect our body from the enemies known as the germs, and protects our body, the immunity system of our body, from the infection which might be caused by the germs. Fine. So let's just write it down. Let's just write everything down which I just told you verbally. So first of all, they are the soldiers of our body. Why are the soldiers, they are known as the soldiers of our body? As they fight against the germs and protect our immunity system against the infection. Caused by the germs. Fine. So WBC is all in all completed. So let's just move towards the next one, which are the blood platelets. So third component, blood platelets. What happens, you might have seen, जब भी थोड़ा सा कट लग जाता है या आपको चोट लग जाती है, then the blood it starts flowing, आपकी skin rupture हो जाती है, and the blood it starts flowing, but after some time you see that blood it stops on its own. जहाँ पर आपका चोट लगा होता है, जहाँ से आपका ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा होता है, वहाँ पे एक हल्का सा एक लेयर आ जाता है स्किन का. ठीक है, तो वो फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड को स्टॉप कर देता है. ठीक है, सो दिस वेरी प्रोसेस इज टर्म्ड एज द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. So this very thing is achieved by these blood platelets. ठीक है, these blood platelets, they helps in the clotting of blood. Imagine if the blood it doesn't clots, ऐसे रुकना बंद ना हो, तो it can be fatal for us. ठीक है, it may take our life. So these blood platelets, what they do is, बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं, they are very minute cells. ठीक है, which are present in our blood, and they do, छोटे हैं but they do a very big job. ठीक है, so they helps in the clotting of the blood, in stopping the bleeding which is caused due to an injury in the body parts. So let's just write help in the clotting of the blood. ठीक है, clotting means help in stop bleeding. Okay, so these were the components of the blood. So now अभी तक हम सिर्फ components of blood पढ़ रहे थे. ठीक है, components of circulatory system. What were the components of the circulatory system? Blood, blood vessels and the heart. तो जो हम अभी पढ़ रहे थे, रेड ब्लड सेल, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स एंड ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स, दीज आर द components of the blood. ठीक है, तो हमने एक component पढ़ लिया है circulatory system का, which is blood. It is completed here in the blood platelets. Now let's jump on to the second component of the circulatory system, which are the vessels, blood vessels. ठीक है, so let's just begin with the blood vessels. So blood vessels. See now, there are different means of transportation. ट्रक्स हैं, ठीक है, अलग अलग व्हीकल्स हैं आपके. सो अगर ये बन गया, वी रिक्वायर समथिंग जिस पे ये चीज़ें चले, वी रिक्वायर दैट मीडियम. सो रोड्स आर दोज मीडियम जिसके ऊपर हमारे ये सारे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन दे रन. ठीक है, सो इन द सेम वे दिस ब्लड तो है, ठीक है, सो इट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स अ मीडियम कि जिसके थ्रू ये फ्लो करे. सो दीज ब्लड वेसल्स दे प्रोवाइड अ मीडियम थ्रू विच द blood it flows. So these blood vessels, these are the system of tubes. ठीक है, ट्यूब जैसा सिस्टम होता है, just like tube of the tube system through which the blood it flows. ठीक है, और ये blood vessels भी 3 types की होती हैं, arteries, veins and capillaries. ठीक है, so we'll be studying about the blood vessels now. So let's just get started. So these blood vessels, first of all, what it does is, blood vessels, it is the system of tubes through which the blood flows. All right. Now we'll be studying about the 3 different types of the blood vessels. First, let me just write their names. Blood vessels are of 3 different types. So they are arteries, veins and capillaries. All right, so let's just study about first arteries and then we'll be jumping on to veins and capillaries. ठीक है, arteries का function होता है, first of all उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा थिक होता है एंड इट इज़ अ थिक मस्क्यूल, इट हैज़ थिक मस्क्यूलर वॉल. और उसका जो फंक्शन होता है वो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लेकर के जाता है फ्रॉम हार्ट टू दी डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड से मेरा मीनिंग है द ब्लड विच इज़ रिच इन ऑक्सीजन. ओके, एंड दिस ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड विच इज़ रिच इन ऑक्सीजन, इट इज़ वेरी मच ब्राइट रेड इन कलर. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट राइट अबाउट इट. So arteries. Okay, so first of all, how does it looks? Let's just know about it. So it has, या फिर actually they have, it is not one. Okay, so they have thick and muscular wall. इसका function, what did I tell? I hope it does focus. It is. So what did I told its function? I said it carries, let me highlight the word, oxygenated blood, okay, from our heart to the body organs. Alright, so I have written oxygenated. So this oxygenated, by oxygenated I mean blood rich in oxygen. Okay, okay, it's in the focus. It is. So also I need to tell you one thing. This oxygen rich blood or the oxygenated blood is bright red in color. Okay, so arteries का function होता है, they carry the oxygenated blood from our heart to the body organs, and this oxygenated blood से I mean the blood which is rich in oxygen. लेकिन एक exception होता है इसमें, ठीक है, एक artery ऐसी होती है जो बागी होती है, ठीक है. So this artery it does not work according to the other arteries. तो ये artery अलग ही वर्क करती है, ठीक है. हाउ डज दिस वन आर्टरी इट वर्क्स? तो उसका नाम पहले समझ लेते हैं. द आर्टरी विच डज नॉट फॉलो इट्स क्लैन, उस आर्टरी का नाम है पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. And what they do is, these pulmonary artery, they carry the deoxygenated blood, oxygenated blood, okay, from the, let me just right ventricle to the lungs, ठीक है. All right, so let me just highlight this deoxygenated one, ठीक है. एक और चीज़ होती है इसमें, जो आपका जो ब्लड होता है विच इज़ फ्लोइंग इन द आर्टरी, ओके आई टोल्ड इट, इट इज़ ब्राइट रेड इन कलर, ठीक है. ऑल्सो जो आपका पल्मोनरी, sorry I'm saying pulmonary, the blood which flows in the arteries, that blood it flows with jerks, ठीक है, and it flows with a great force, ठीक है, it flows under great force. And let me just write it for you so that you people remember. Blood flows under great force and with jerks, ठीक है, in this arteries, ठीक है. So now that is it for this video, and in the further video we'll be studying about the other two, that is veins, capillaries, and we have more things to learn about in this chapter. This chapter is very long and is very interesting too, so there are many things coming on the way, so stay tuned, and till then stay safe.